Okay, so this morning we are going to talk about civil society and social movements. You can do it later. Okay, what is civil society? So civil society is the third sector of society along with government and economy or government and market. So it is considered as a social sphere independent both of the state and the market. So ang civil society class is independent siya from the government and from the economy or from the market. So there is what we call civil society organizations. So this refers to those non-state, non-profit, and voluntary organization. So when we say civil society, non-state, meaning dili siya related sa government, non-profit, meaning dili siya negosyo, voluntary, meaning to say wala siya sweldo gyud, kay voluntary raman siya. Then covers a range of non-governmental and non-profit groups. So these groups include socio-civic organization. So pareha ng mga movements sa LGBTQ. So kana siya. Professional organizations. Pareha ng mga group of doctors, group of engineers, lawyers, teachers. Academe. So about education, when you say academe. Media. Pareha ng media. Like TV5, SMNI, churches, people's organizations, non-governmental organization. Pareha ng Eagles. Are you familiar with the Eagles Club? That's a club. Eagles. So those are fraternities. And cooperative. Eagles ang ngalan sa ilang fraternity. Ha? Oh, fraternity. Brotherhood. Oh, kana siya. People's organization. So the role of civil society. So since our society always change, di ba? Mag-usab gyud perminti ang ato ang society. So civil society is shaped by world events. So ang civil society class is shaped by world events. Kung unsay depende unsay kakahitabo, naden mga civil society nga ma-create. Struggles and creative, technological and economic advances. So pareha po na niya akong ginabuhat kana bitaw mag-post ko sa akong klase. So kana siya, that's civil society kay we are not required to teach you beyond class hours. Ang ako ang required ra gyud sa akong job is to teach you within my period. Pero what I did is I created that channel for you to learn outside class hours, di ba? Anytime kung na mo internet, kung interesado pud mo, so you can still listen to my discussion. So that's an example of civil society. Kay nakita na ko nga na may struggle, di ba? Mag-struggle mo og catch up sa tong lessons. Especially karon nga pila na takakuan by August 28 wala na human na niya akong subject. So I will no longer be teaching you. Then these are the jobs of civil society. Muna yung jobs ha? Jobs of the civil society. First is social accountability. So they hold corporations, faith-based, and other organizations accountable for their actions or inactions. So ang civil society, um, they're responsible for social accountability. So kaning civil society, they are the ones who are kanabang trying to monitor kung the government are functioning well or institutions are functioning well. So kaparehan ng media. So they are the one who are uncovering the truth around them. So that's social accountability.
Isa teacher. Unsa gyud teacher kung gamonitor kung
If the government offices or institutions are functioning well or doing their responsibilities.
isa.
Okay, next role of civil society is empowering communities. So civil society organizations give voice to the disorganized, voiceless segments of society. So they raise awareness of social issues and advocate for change, empowering local communities to develop new programs to meet their own needs. So ang civil society is they are responsible in organizing the voiceless segments of society. For example, there's a group of um, rape victims. So, ang civil society ang nagagakwan, organize. Ako naman to gipakita sa inyo atong interview atong na-rape siya no nga ni Kara David wala pa ba day? Ito pa maganito oh. So pareho to si Eha. So she was kanang responsible in gathering women who are victims who cannot speak for themselves. Dagan man kay kato siya kay gi-rape siya og tulo ka lalaki. Kay kani laging inom-inom, niya friends good. Kana mo koy uban girls good nga moingon nga may maning boys friends kay dili sila traidor. Mas may pang boys. Inom-inom, atuara. Gi tabangan siya tulo ka laki. Muna ka mo girls ha, imo pupunta kag inom-inom ha. Ikaw mo, when you are drunk, you are weak. Bisan ka nagdili drunk, weak man gani. Okay then, ensuring good governance. So civil society ensures good governance. Civil society works hand in hand with the government, striving to develop policy and implement new strategies. So kanimas, ang civil society, they are also helpers of the government. And they propose new policies, new strategies for the society. So social capital provides a way of participants to build relationships and make connections based on their values, behaviors, and beliefs. So muna nga, there are civil society groups or organizations nga kanang ga-propose sila og mga new policies. Nya kani sila pod nga mga civil society organizations kasagara ma-elect ni sila, mabutang ni sila sa House of Representatives. Kay kasagara diri magsugod grupo-grupo ba? Grupo sa sila din. Din. Helper or works hand in hand. Monong ningon kog helper para ma-simplify. So they help develop policy and implement new strategies. Marami ito ng cooperative pod. mga cooperative. Nana sila kanang programs like pabahay, patubig, pakuryente sa mga kanang mga remote areas. Okay, so these are the different examples of civil society organizations. So we have Philippine Red Cross, Grameen Bank, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Greenpeace International. So sa Philippine Red Cross is they are known for blood services, disaster management, health services, welfare services, and Red Cross Youth. So their purpose is humanitarian aid. Especially kanang mga tao nga nanginahanglan og basic kanang medical attention. Sa Grameen Bank, its services is on small loans or microcredit. Muna siya gitawag na itong utang. Na sila yung mga pautang. Familiar mo anang asa?
Yes, sir.
Kanang kuan, one puhunan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so kana part na siya sa mura gyud sila part na sila ng gitawag na to og auxiliary nga mga civil society. So para sila is poverty ang purpose nila. Si Bill and Melinda Gates, one of the billionaires, a world billionaire. And when we say billionaire, he is not a billionaire in terms of peso, but in terms of dollars. So yapon is healthcare and poverty. So ang purpose ani is kani. Then Greenpeace is more on climate and earth, di ba? So climate or nature or environment ang Greenpeace. So ila is stop the planet from warming beyond 1.5 degrees. If muinit gani ang ugayo ang kalibutan class, isa sa iyang effect is ang mga iceberg dito sa Atlantic Ocean. Matunaw. So kung matunaw, mudaghan ang tubig sa Earth. Sa Earth, makadugang siya. So muna siya nga. Okay? Next, what is social movement? So it's organized effort of a large group by people to achieve a particular goal, social or political one. So ang social movement is group of people with a goal, social or political goal. So sa man ilahang gabuhaton, they carry out, resist or undo a social change. So kung na sila gusto nga bag-uhon, or na sila gusto nga pugnan, resist, or na sila gusto nga usbon nga social change. One example of this is ning pareha ng social change related sa healthcare. Sa una mong good class, ang healthcare na to, system diri sa Pilipinas is kinahanglan ka mag-down ay ka pa-hospital sa mga private. Pero karon gihinahina na siya og wala. So it is a product of a social movement. Murag Red Cross siguro ang kwan. Okay, so it is a type of group of individuals or organizations or both. So ang ilaha is ang social movement exists because they empower the oppressed. Kung saan man ang oppressed? They empower the oppressed. Ang kaning social movement.
Depressed.
What do you mean by oppressed?
Sir? Wait ka na sa compress.
Dili. When you are oppressed, like, mong uyab lugar ka nang ikaw ay gipadala sa bag, niya, murag, away-awayon ra ka, niya ikaw, yes, gidaog-daog. So that's oppressed. So kamo, kung gidaog-daog mo, pwede ninyo siya ignon nga, ayaw ko gi-oppress. Why are you oppressing me? How could you? Ha? Diba? Oppress is almost synonymous with being bullied. Pero ang bully man gud kay murag more on kanang personal lang gid kay siya. Oppress man gud kay murag general term lang kay siya ba nga sa kadaghanan population. Okay, so social movement represent ha?
Tolerate lang.
Nga naman. Tolerate? So the social movement represent a method of social change from the bottom within nations. So kaning giterm dire nga from the bottom, kana bang gikan gyud sa katawhan gyud, grassroots. Kana bang kung unsa gyud ang gibati gyud sa mga tao gyud bitaw kanang pinakapobre na. So there are different social movements in the Philippines. So during Spanish period, so we have the Principalia de Ilustrados, which is mo nitong kuan sa Gumburzam siguro, if I'm not mistaken. And the Katipunan. So ang Principalia is ila is social recognition. So kani group of Filipinos ni sila nga gusto nila nga ma-recognize pod ang voice sa mga Filipinos. Then the Ilustrados, which includes the entrepreneurial class, nga gusto nila nga ma-promote ang Filipino identity. Then ang Katipunan was revolutionary, mass-based, and armed. So kaning Katipunan, mass-based ni siya sa mga masa, and armed po din sila. Meaning na sila pusil. So these are just some of the social movements in the Philippines before. Sa minay sa kikiki gani? Taas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, mga anak na bayan. We have also the American occupation. So American rule worsened the socio-economic inequalities in the Philippines because of wide disparity between the rich and the poor. Mga social movement ni during sa American period.
Ano sa ako sa US na? Hindi ko alam. Kami lang gusto kang US pagkakatay ni Juan ni.
Dili, nasakop yung punta sa US.
Ito si Luna, life na pagkakatay ni Luna ni Luna ng Amerika kahit kung siya pagka-brain.
Nasakop kita. So si Pedro Abad Santos is siya ang founder sa Socialist Party. So when we say socialism, unsa kito? So atong discussion, ideology, socialism. Lagi ideology. Socialism means naay gitawag nga starts with letter E. Empower, economy, equality. Okay. So, mura na siya ang na-mention sa to ang reference. So, during the Japanese occupation and post-independence period, so there is a strong influence of socialist and communist movements led to the establishment of the Hukbalahap or Hukbo ng Bayan laban sa Hapon. So this is another social movement. So kung inyong tanawon bitaw class no, because of their circumstance nganong mo na siya hinungdan nga nahimo ang mga social movement. Kay pareha ning Japanese occupation so nahimo ang Hukbalahap. Kay lahi man pud ang mga Hapon sa una kay wala man gid po'y mananakop nga kanang buutan sa ato, puros man cruel ang kaagi sa mga Pilipino sa una.
Spanish teacher.
Sugod sa Spanish yun. So tungod sa pananakop nila kanang wala giingon nga freedom ang mga Pilipino sa una. So this group had been attempting to address social issues in the Philippine society. So moro gyapon ang ilang concern kaning equality. Di ba mo man ni siya socialism or communism, equality. Dapat equal gyud, dili magud equal ang treatment ni. Bisag karon gani class, di ba? If you can see among your siblings, na may only child dere or igsoon tanan. So kung na kay igsoon, di ba, murag di gyud mawala nga na inequality usahay, di ba? Kung ikaw sala, grabe ng kasaba, yaw-yaw, bunal. Pero kung imong manghod ikaw gyapon bunalan. Wala mo kabalaka kay na may wisdom gyapon ana. Nay.
Sana daw ang gaton ka sa sulat may magtuan. Magtubag kana pa daw sa sulahan.
Ngayon sa may kitubag nimo?
Yes, kay pag dili ka mutubag kay.
Ano ka?
Pag dili ka mutubag sa sulahan, nadiruhan man ka, mutubag.
Ang pagtubag is depende siya sa context. Lahi magunang magtubag-tubag ka o mutubag ka. Pero okay man na siya nga principle. As long as bisan pa og mo tubag ka, as long as you maintain the respect. Kaya usahay man gud dili magud imong tubag ang issue dia, ang respect man gud. Di ba? Oh. To give you an example ha. Pareha to ni kuno. Example lang si Carlos Yulo. O, di ba? I'm not saying kuan siya sa iyang ginikanan no, pero whatever level you achieve, you have to go back to your parents' guilt. Okay? Kuan man na siya. Nang, di ba, winner mo to siya sa Olympics? Ganahan lugar ka nga ikaw, yahay kay mong kaimtang sa imong kinabuhi tungkol sa imong nakabot, imong ginikanan. Luoy kayo. Anyway, let's continue. During martial law, so we have the upheavals and resistance led President Marcos to declare martial law to put a temporary halt to any forms of activism. During his time, nakita niya daghan kayo ang mga ga-rebelde. So, nag-declare siya og martial law. And the martial law did not have good impact to all the Filipinos because there is what we call abuse of authority among government officials. Sundalo, police. So na-create ang Moro National Liberation Front or MNLF who had a strong resistance against Marcos administration. So during the martial law, military repression and restriction of political and civil rights furthered the democratic struggle of Filipinos. So unsa ang context dito ato nga time? Unsa day kahitabo? So naay gitawag nga restriction of political and civil rights. For example, isa sa civil rights nato is to express. But during that time dili ka kareklamo. So, di ba dili ka apil na ng communist sa mga social movement during that time. So dili na pwede mo express, dili na ka pwede mo sukol sa mga sundalo or police bisag sayop. Imagine wala pa kay klaro kung guilty ba ka or dili. Prisuhon na ka. Okay ra lugar na. So di ba that's a deprivation of your civil rights. Unsa nga right? Your freedom. Di ba kay all of us have freedom. So this led to the growth of social movements and of their mass base. Una daghan kaayo og mga social movements sa una during martial law period. Okay? So the post 1986 period. So poverty after the martial law period So poverty, underdevelopment, social injustice and socio-economic inequalities led to the persistence of social movements in the Philippines. So unsa man ang mga social movements na nahitabo during post 1986. So there is what we call leftist or kanang gitawag sa Pilipino na makakaliwa dili mga ngaliwa kapit-kapit makakaliwa ba. So this includes social democrats, then democratic socialists, environmentalists, dayon left-leaning nationalists, and religious activists. So electoral politics was seen as a venue for the participation and intervention of social movements in government's policy making. Social movements during this time targeted as beneficiaries the vulnerable. So kinsa man ang situation diri class is gusto nila tagaan og importance og tagaan nila og value ang mga vulnerable. What do you mean by vulnerable? Hindi mga isog or those who cannot defend or protect themselves. Sa atua class, di ba ang isa sa mga vulnerable na to is kanang mga PWD, di ba? Okay, imagine tungkol niya imong hangga't sumbagay. Do you think he or she can di ba? So they're vulnerable. They cannot protect or defend themselves. Sabi lang naman po siguro naman. And marginalized groups. So ang marginalized groups kana bang wala na kayo na tagaag pagtagad. Kamo kung wala ka na tagaag pagtagad sa imong uyab na marginalized na kana. Or kung wala ka gitagag pagtagad sa imong classmates. Example, kabalo gid sila nga wala ka kapil sa activity, wag ka kaigna. So kana in that scenario na marginalized ka. Have you tried or have you experienced class ka na may nana ka na murag neglect ka ba? Oh, that's what we call being marginalized. So kamo class kung gi-ignore na gani mo murag wala na kayo mo gipansin, pwede ninyo siya ignore nga nganong imo na kung gina-marginalize.
ba? Diyan ako, oppress karon marginalized.
How could you marginalize me?
Kanang gibaliwala.
Mga baliwala.
Marami ignore.
Wala na, tagag pagtagad. Or,
Marginalized, wala.
marabag ka na, they were not given importance. So, one of the most vulnerable and marginalized group during this time is mga babae. Bakit? Ang babae man gyud, dali ra bagi kay mo kuan. Prone kay mo sa danger ba? Oh. Bisag asa mo, you are always in danger. Diba? Even your homes, usahay, diba? Danger zone gyapon na siya usahay. Kaya there are a lot of cases nga, rape cases nga, giunay na sa amahan, sa igsoon, sa stepfather. Ba? Nya, napoy mga bata pod. Naluoy kayo kay kani kayong mga batang babae no? O ma-rape ba? Natoy gi-rape siya ay nga kuan kanang murag 1 year old.
Alam si Ryan, nasa dark web si Ryan. Sikat dito, 14-year-old, lipstick na ba to?
14? Ano gi 1 year?
14 months.
14 months. Oh, lagi mo na to.
Hindi, grade sa foreigner, dua ka babae na actually tabang siya.
Di katong akong ginaistorya is kwanto siya namatay gid to. Uy, kaya bata, uy, imagine ko nimo, kagamay sa bata, ripon. Ano naman? Okay. So that's all for the civil society. Do you have questions?